Osito Kalle is Kenya's most innovative, creative and poetic artist. Osito Kalle knows how to weave songs poetically. I first heard of Osito Kalle in late 1990s when he came up with a chartbuster known as Asembo Paper Bear. That was a national hit. He became so popular in Kenya and won so many awards. During this Easter holiday, on the 9th Sunday, Mama Grace Onyango Social Center, in collaboration with Ondagi Show, all the way from Nairobi, will host a book launch based on the life journey of Osito Kalle. Mama Grace Onyango, in collaboration with Misango Arts Ensemble, will also present curtain raisers promoting young artists based at the center. We welcome all to come and celebrate one of the iconic benga player still living, Osito Kalle. Welcome to Mama Grace Onyango Social Center on the 9th of April 2023, as from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m.